everyone. My name is Kushi Sunar and today's my topic is about e-commerce, security and its encryption. So as we all know, in nowadays, everybody is talking about e-commerce and it's widely spreading day by day. But in spite of having its growth, the main concern is about the security, which is no one talking. So today in my presentation, I'm going to talk about the security measures and its encryption, how we prevent it with the help of encryption. So let's start the presentation. Today I'm going to cover these all 5 topics where it's have introduction to e-commerce, e-commerce and security, encryption in e-commerce, type of encryption, security measures in e-commerce. As already my fellow mates have already discussed about the e-commerce, I will just plainly discuss about e-commerce in short point to point. So e-commerce means it's the process of buying and selling goods and services with the help of internet. Some activities like online shopping, paying bills, booking tickets and doing online business, it's all are the activities we do with the help of e-commerce. And some famous platforms like Flipkart, Myntra and Meesho are the website where we do online shopping. And for the faster delivery we use Blinkit, Instamart. And for the food delivery we use Swiggy and Zomato. These all are the platform where we use e-commerce. Moving to the next topic, it's about the security. So security means the protection. So in e-commerce also we use security term for the protection of the data and the information of the user from the unauthorized access. E-commerce security is the protection of the online transaction. Either it's a financial transaction or the personal detail. For example, if we do online payment with the help of credit card, so the third party can't see the details of the personal credit card. This is in security. If there is a breach of the security, then you have to suffer from these threats, security threats. It's phishing, which means fake emails, hacking, unauthorized access to the system, then data thief, malware. Security is very important to maintain trust between the customer and the business. So next point is encryption in e-commerce. Although I have already told about the security, the encryption is the preventing method from the security. With the help of encryption, we prevent our business from the security risk. Encryption is the technique where we use to protect data. It is the process where normal data is converted to the coded form where unauthorized access can't intervene in the mean. With the help of encryption, ensure that the sensitive data like credit cards, details and the password remain safe during the transaction. There are 3 types of encryption. Symmetric, asymmetric, SSL, TLS encryption. Here are the definition and the features. So you can see over here. Moving to the next slide. It's my last slide where I'm going to talk about the security measures in e-commerce. We have to use a strong and unique password, enable two-factor authentication, regular software and system updates, firewalls and antivirus protection. These are the measures which we can follow for the safety measures. At the last, I want to conclude my presentation by thanking Sanjeev sir for giving me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you all and present my thought on this topic. Thank you.